Welcome, everybody. My name is Stephen the Jupiterian here. Mm, I have a new video for you. Um, yeah, I shall going to finish off the rest of July. And August is going to be, well, a very big month. Although August 12th and August 12th is going to be a big day. We have a solar eclipse, and I will share all this with you. Yeah. Mm, Let me see. I'm going to share this page from astro.com or astroseek. Sorry. Here's from astroseek. Are we seeing this yet? No, not yet. Hmm. Mercury is retrograde, and so is Neptune. We still see a black screen, huh? Alrighty. Oh, there we go. Now, there you go. Finally. Here we are. All right. So, February, March, August 12th. Yes, we have a total solar eclipse. Yes, this at 20 degrees and 6 minutes. And then August 28th, we have a partial lunar eclipse. And then next year, February 27th, we have our annular solar eclipse. The sun will be in Aquarius. The sun will be in Leo, August 12th, for this solar eclipse on August 12th, 2026. The moon in Pisces on August 28th, 2026, February 6th, 2027. The sun will be in Aquarius, 17 degrees and 39 minutes of Aquarius. And then, yeah, so 2026, 2027, 2028, and you can keep going. So, yeah, for 10 years, for the next 10 years, you can look at that for the next 10 years. But August 12th, I will share this video with you, the chart with you with my Astro Gold software. Now, here we go. Yay. It's sharing. Yeah. So here you go. Here's today, right now. It's almost a quarter. Well, it's almost 3 o'clock. 2:47, almost 2:47 right now. And we have Mercury's retrograde. Neptune is going right. Started retrogradation this morning. But yeah, I was doing some research, and we're going to open. Um, where did I put it? We are going to have. Hmm. All right. Well, let's move this to. Um. And let's move this into days. So, all right. So the moon is in Aries. It was conjunct Saturn, and now it's going past Saturn. The 8th, Wednesday, the 8th. Oh, actually, Venus will be entering Virgo on the 9th of July, July 9th. Venus enters Virgo, where she is fallen in the sign of Virgo. Not a terrible place for Venus. Well, it's not great condition for Venus to be in the sign of Virgo, but Venus in Virgo loves cleanliness, values cleanliness, and everything Virgo and detail, like a very detail oriented sign. Venus will be extremely organized and put probably Venus, yeah, with Venus in Virgo, you're most likely to be uh, very spiritual. Virgo is a spiritual sign. Venus loves is the beauty of organization and is probably obsessive about it too, of being very organized, detail oriented, probably nitpicky as well. Um, the moon will be in Taurus. Well, moon is moving into Taurus on the 8th of July. But yeah, the moon will also be in Taurus on the 9th of July. Mars is still in Gemini. So let's see, the 10th of July, 11, 12, the 13, 15. So yeah, the moon will be moved into Leo before the sun moves into Leo on the 22nd of July. We have Jupiter Pluto opposition starting. So that's the 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So only the moon is changing signs. No other planets are changing signs until the sun. Well, Venus moves its signs on Thursday, July 9th. Yes. So we're on the 20th right now. Here we are. The sun at 0 degrees Leo on the 22nd of July. And Venus is opposed Pluto 4 degrees. They're both at 4 degrees Oh, Venus is almost at 5 degrees by this time. But yeah, Jupiter will be opposed Pluto, and the Sun will be opposing Pluto very soon. And then by August, well, let me see. The North Node on July 26th, 27. Whoops. Well, the North Node, well, on the 27th of July. Oh, yeah. Actually, let's move this into hours because I want to move this into the morning hours or close to the after morning. Yeah, like maybe. Okay. So, yeah, the North Node by the, 27th. Let's go back a day because in the morning and then the evening, afternoon, the nodes change signs. The South Node on July 26th at 11:21 p.m. So yeah, that's like the rest of the world is having the nodes move into the North Node Aquarius, South Node into Leo. Um Around 2:21 a.m. on the East Coast. Maybe 12:21 or 1:21 in the Midwest, like Texas, places like that. The nodes will change signs. So yeah, I actually we have two. So this is going to start part 2 of the year, where the nodes change signs, and then August 12th, we have a solar eclipse on August 12th. Eight, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Whoops. Too far. 3, 2. Yeah. And then, yeah. So they will have a solar eclipse because the sun and the moon will be close to the south node of Leo, opposing. Well, yeah, actually, as I showed you, they'll be at 20 degrees. The sun will be at 20 degrees for this solar eclipse. August 12th at 10:36 a.m. on the West Coast. Add how many hours difference if you're in the Midwest or the East Coast. You it's different for that time as well. But the sun and the moon will be in 20 degrees and 1 minute. 9 degrees away from the south node, opposing the north node. And I'll be making a trine to Saturn, which is now retrograde. It will be retrograde at the moment. The Mercury will be in Leo by this time as well. Jupiter is in Leo, and the south node in Leo, and the north node in Leo, which is kind of interesting. You know, I saw when we have a Libra rising on the west coast was Venus in Libra, a planet, one of the signs she rules. Venus rules Libra, which is amazing, which is great as well. So very cool. Um, so yeah, we have all these planets in Leo. Mars will be in Cancer. And Mars in Cancer. Mars will no longer be in Gemini. Uranus is still in Gemini, but by this solar eclipse, Mars will be in Cancer. Venus. Well, this solar eclipse is ruled by the sun. It's in the sun, and the sun is in the sign it rules. Jupiter is here with Mercury and the moon and the south node. So maybe releasing something and expanding and communicating about something, feeling it. Mm. And Mercury is opposing Pluto. And so is Jupiter is still opposing Pluto. Somewhat, but it's not as strong. It's not as strong. An opposition because well, we're at 6 degrees away from Pluto. Only about 6 degrees away from Pluto. Jupiter is about over 6 degrees away from Pluto opposition. Now, Venus will be starting to make an opposition to Neptune and then Saturn. So you have fire, air, and the only planet in water is Mars in Cancer. We have Saturn in Aries, the only outer planet in Aries, Saturn. Or inner planet. I'm sorry. Well, Saturn is not an outer planet. It's the outer planets are Neptune, Uranus, and Pluto. So those are the outer planets. And they're actually making a trine and a sextile to each other. Yeah. Neptune is sextile Pluto and Uranus. Uranus and Pluto are still in a trine, but are they making any squares to anything? No. No squares to, and August is going to be an interesting month. We don't have anything in Earth. Well, the, um, yeah, this isn't a planet. This is Juno. That's an asteroid. Algol is a fixed star. Regulus is a fixed star. So we don't have any Earth in October. Okay, well, this is interesting. July. Well, well, in the month of July, we have Earth. Venus is the only planet in an Earth sign. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry. Um. So yeah, August is going to be part two of 2026 with the nodes changing signs into Leo. And, and it's going to be, yeah, the south node will be in Leo. The north node will be in Aquarius, which will bring, I think, things to north node in Aquarius will bring a lot of things to the collective. Aquarius is large groups of things. So yeah, have a feeling that when the North Node enters Aquarius, large groups protests could possibly occur. Um, yeah, groups of people will get together and if well, actually, I'm hoping it's for peace. We'll see. So that could be either peaceful or the South Node in Leo is a lot of endings for people who are extremely well known in royalty or celebrities. I'm hardly a celebrity, I would say. My channel is very is not as big as other channels, but yeah. So I think the celebrity of things will die out, even the celebrity of social media. But hey, I'm not a big channel. Actually, hopefully you'll stick with me. Hopefully YouTube does not go away. But I'm on other platforms where you can find me. Like um X and what else? Instagram. not under the same name, but actually, when that time comes, I will make that announcement. If the time comes that YouTube is no longer around, I will be posting there. Yes, I have hope to anyway. I am a social media type person with if you saw my chart. All right. Oh, so here's the north node will be moving in July 26th. So there's the July 26th. And then I will open. So yeah, I'm going to share my chart. Why not? I always do. Not a video unless there's my chart. Yeah, so here we are. The nodes will shift from my fourth to 10th house to my third and ninth house. And a ninth house perfection year. I will still be teaching though, because the North Node will be in the third house of communication, social media, conjunct my natal Mercury. And yes, so I have a feeling that I will still be around on social media, YouTube for quite some time. So yeah, so here's my chart alone. Where I have Mercury, yeah, well, where the North Node will be conjunct my natal Mercury of communication, social media, teaching, writing, communicating. I am writing a novel, and I will be also be announcing what more about that. I'm in the process of writing. Yay! And yes, it's a mystery. Has to do with astrology, and yeah, and yeah. So cool things are happening. Yay! Alrighty. So thanks for watching, and there'll be more about this. The eclipses, the nodes changing signs, because actually I have the North Node in Pisces, the South Node in Virgo, where they are now. So here's the transits where of today. So yeah, the South Node is at 0 degrees of Virgo. The North Node is 0 degrees of Pisces, conjunct my Juno, and almost kind of conjunct the part of fortune in my chart in the fourth house. So yeah, we have all this activity in my ninth house. And I'm 56 years old, so I'm in my ninth house perfection year. And my solar return ascendant just happens to be Leo. Which I can share with you too. Actually, why in the heck not? I'll remove this chart and I will share. And actually, I know I've shared my solar return once before, but here we are again. See the solar return ascendant, 23 degrees of Leo, which makes a trine to my natal ascendant at 22 degrees of Sagittarius, and the moon And the moon also makes a trine to my natal moon. The moon is in Leo at 21 degrees. So my solar return chart, Leo rising, ninth house perfection year. Yeah. Broadcasting. Yeah. The eighth, ninth house is broadcasting. So yeah, I am broadcasting a lot. I will be broadcasting more when the North Node goes into Aquarius, the South Node in Leo in a few weeks. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves and each other. And until next time, I'm Stephen the Vegetarian. Give this video a like, subscribe if you're new here, post a comment, and do all the things. Share the video if you would like. And I will be doing a all signs video very soon. I know I haven't been doing those much, but oh actually before I go, let me pull a Lightseer deck, a card from my Lightseer's deck. Shuffle one more time. And we have okay, well, this is pretty good. Yes. Because we have the Three of Pentacles. Collective working collectively and collaboratively. This is the card of collaboration. So yeah, which is pretty cool. I like that. The Three of Pentacles. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.